Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Yes, walking outside with the dogs again and then thinking about a new video. In this video I will use a Rhodes sample, a very nice Rhodes sample, to have it available on my V-Synth. And this Rhodes sample has this typical metallic sound in the beginning, and I will use cutoff frequency and resonance to take away that metallic sound when you play soft, and to have it available when you play loud on it, to have this, well, more realistic Rhodes sound sample in your V-Synth. And of course I will use Variphrase or elastic audio, and just take a look how it works. Here we go. So here it is, the V-Synth XT, very beautiful synthesizer. This one is connected to my V-Synth keyboard. And I'm using the V-Synth XT for recording videos because of the color screen, which is better visible than the monochrome screen of the V-Synth. So all I do on the XT, you can do also on your V-Synth keyboard. So the sample is already on this PCMCA card, and I showed it in another video how to get it on this card by using USB. So I will turn it on now, and I want to have it completely empty, so I can use other samples. Well, totally empty V-Synth. So I hold exit, turn the power on. Now I leave exit, and then I will change also the screen. So over here, so we see over here the V-Synth keyboard, and we have here the XT with the screen. Let me load the sample into the memory of the XT because it's now totally empty. So I go to mode, I go to disk, I choose import files, then I choose card, I choose this folder, press open, and then the Tunnel 69 EPC3. Okay, so I press OK. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. So it's loading now this sample. I press exit and exit again. I go to sampling, and then over here it's the sample. I do preview. So this is the sample, and I'm going to edit the sample because the sample is a little bit soft. So we got the sample over here. I press menu, I press normalize, I put it on 100. Then you will notice that the volume will be louder. Preview. Okay, so turn it over here also a little bit more up. So perfect. This is the sample, and let me show it again, the difference between using elastic audio, Variphrase, and the old school sampling technique. So I go now to patch, I go to oscillator 1, turn it on, I select PCM, and we got it over here. Let me turn off these switches. So we got the waveform over here. So when I play now the keyboard, you should hear the sound. So this is the sample. And the lower I play, the longer the sample will play. And the higher I play, how shorter the sample will play. So it sounds nice. I have to admit, it's a very nice sample. But I show you the difference between Variphrase, elastic audio, and the old school way of sampling. So this was the old cool way of sampling. And now I'm going to change the sample. I go to sample, and now I'm going to encode this one. So I press encode. I choose backing because it's an instrument. I choose execute. So it's encoding now to have it being played with Variphrase. Go exit, go to patch, oscillator 1. Now I can turn this one on. So now the sample will be played with the same length over the complete keyboard. Let me give an example. So I press a chord, and then the sample ends completely on the same time with all notes. And this is Variphrase. With the old school sampling, you won't hear it like this. Okay, cool. So we have the sample. now I'm going to adjust the TVA, and I'm going to adjust the release time, because this is a terrible release time. So button number, well, knob number 8 is to change the release time. I have to turn it on, of course, the TVA. So 30, 31 is a nice one. Great. Like I said in the beginning, I want to have this metallic sound, which is in the beginning of the sample. I'm going to take that away. Well, not taking it away completely, I'm going to adjust it. So when I play loud on it, you will hear the metallic sound, and when you play soft, you won't hear that, because now you hear that metallic sound all the time. So I go to COSM, I turn it on, and I choose TVF. This is the COSM type, TVF. Now I go to the cutoff frequency, and I'm going to lower it completely to 0. Now you don't hear anything. So I have to turn up the envelope depth on 4. And now you hear it again. Now we're going to change the velocity, because there is no velocity now. Well, is there velocity? There is velocity, but not with the cutoff frequency. So I'm going to change this one to 1. And now here it is already. This is cool. I also was talking about the resonance. So I'm going to change something in resonance too. I'm going to change only at this time the envelope depth. So. And also the curve. Velocity curve. Nice. Let me add some effects. Give it more body. No. Wait. First, let me do this also. Yeah, this is also very nice. The pen LFO. Check this out, because the pen LFO is now on 0. And I like to have it panned like this. It's always very nice. But in this case, I leave it on 0 because I'm going to show you something else. I go to COM, then then I go to matrix control. I choose Control 7/8, and I'm going to select here the destination for knob number 1, TVA, pen, okay. This one I'm going to make it plus 63. So now, if I use the assignable controls on my keyboard, I can control the pen LFO, the amount of it. Nice, very nice. And also I'm going to change over here the oscillator, the COSM one resonance, like this. Also plus 63 over here. So now the resonance is not affected because it's on 0, the assignable control. Let me use a lower octave. Wow. Okay, now add some effects. I will turn on the reverb, the chorus, and the effects, of course. First, I will select a reverb, the amount, knob number 3. Then the chorus, let's just leave it on 1 amount. Then over here, the kind of multi-effects. There are so many nice effects. It's just a matter of taste, guys, just a matter of taste. Let me try something. Oi. Another reverse delay. Something else. Space chorus. Or flangers. Overdrive? No, I don't think so. No, not my type. There is so many. Man. Like always, I lose myself. Anyway, this is what I wanted to show. Because can we still remember how the sample was? So. Beautiful. How was the sample? Go to sample over here. This was the sample, the original one. Nice. Go to it. Patch. It's this one. Okay, guys, this was it. Thank you so much, and hope you enjoyed it. We see each other next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.